Oh, what the hell? Man, where am I? Why do I got 3 stories? Okay, I may look a bit different. Totally didn't get a new account. I didn't get any new account. Hey, girl taking an update though. Getting into this. Alright, well, no new mode. Update sucks. Wait, what'd that say? Blocks? Huh? Bag, wait, leaf blower. Yes. We don't talk about that. I'm totally not getting my outfit back. Ooh. Very loud. Wait, what? What? Oh, this makes so much sense. That's cool. Viking. Yeah. Pew pew. Yay! Name my butt. Cone cat. Yeah, I can't try anything. I can't try much on. New account. That's why you got to use Shanka. I only have this. Ground Zero. So yeah, let's go check out the new monk update. Okay, let's build. Oh. That's cool, that's cool. That's very cool. What's this? Ladder? That's new, obviously. Door. Oh, man, that's cool. That's very cool. Alright. Let's get in here. SpongeBob! Why is there a door here? Honestly, low-key, nice door. This is a nice door. Ah! This is low-key kind of cool. Can I grab it? Let me grab it. Oh! That's... yeah, there's nothing really to show in this update, but they added monk blocks back. Cool. Gobble, video. Idiot. Yeah, I'm trying to do this on phone, so that's why I couldn't put any music in. My computer mouse is broken right now, so I'm getting a new one soon. Bye!